In today's video, I will walk you through how to close trades on Metatrader 5. Start by opening Metatrader 5. When the platform finishes loading, you'll most likely be taken to the quotes page. This is the default screen for many users, so don't worry if that's what you see first. If you're already viewing your trades, you can stay where you are. Otherwise, move to the trade section. This is where you'll find a list of all your currently open trades. Once you're inside the trade section, take a moment to locate the position that you want to close. If you have more than one open trade, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. After you've found the trade you want to close, click and hold on that trade. Keep holding until a menu appears on the screen. This menu contains several options related to that position. From the menu, select Close Position. It doesn't matter whether the trade is currently showing a profit or a loss. The process is exactly the same. When you're ready to exit the trade, simply click the Close button. As soon as you do that, Metatrader 5 will process your request and close the selected position. Once the trade has been closed, it will no longer appear in your list of open trades. If you need to close another trade, simply return to the trade section, find the next position, click and hold on it, choose Close Position from the menu. The process is the same every time you want to close an open position. To recap, open Metatrader 5, go to the trade section if you're not already there, locate the trade you want to close, click and hold on it, select Close Position. After that, the trade will be closed and no longer appear in your list. That's all there is to closing trades on Metatrader 5. If you have any questions about the process, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.